How y'all doing, chat, bro? How y'all doing, bro? Bird stream. I got shit playing, bro. Got shit playing, man. Monkey's a crazy name, not gonna lie. Low key. Alright, hold on. Let me be back. Bro, no way, bro. Just said. Bro played the TikTok Riz Party theme song. Okay. Nigga, y'all be waiting the process? No, bro. I'm instant with it. Instant with it, bro.
I don't know. He on pause. He can go home. I ain't most out of the bowl. One shot better duck his dome. Like I said, I'm on bread. I'm on head. You from this bitch? Now she a mess. This bitch and I'm smelling like G. You serious? You know what I mean? If you serious, I have an G. I finesse him in the middle of E. Shawty geeky, she really a geek. And she pushing period P. But my P got a really good meaning. Hey, big ass. You in the middle of 7, baby. I can see that. They go, baby. I can be that one. Hair, baby. I can do that. Yo, baby, Frank is my friend, baby. Hope you knew that. Real, I'm wearing a do-rag. Tapping your rap, that's too bad. Hope I will interrupt you.
Can't lie, bro. I got the best dance moves, bro.
I call him Drew because he be like, could have been actually rap.
I'm the best fucking dancing streamer, bro. I be hitting that bitch. I'm better than Kai, better than Max, better than Great. Oh, this nigga gay as fuck. Let me tell y'all what I'm doing on Monkey, bro. Y'all know I got a girl. This for content only. It's content only, bro. We seen if Cuff 'em nerfed y'all dreadhead niggas, bro.
It's a show feed.
Them fake ass dreads. Get it.
Hey, bro, oh, okay, bro. Come on, bro. You know these ain't.
Hey. Oh my god.
Yo.
Shake your dress. Shake your dress.
Yes, sir. Dreadheads do it best. Dreadheads do it best. You think dreadheads do it best?
Can everybody else just hear the wrist sound? I swear I'm not tweaking.
Nah,
do that shit again, bro. I know you got sound.
Gang. I ain't gonna lie.
It was good, man. Do you have the TEMU fucking curls on, my nigga?
Oh, no, I don't, bro. I don't.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
No,
what the
I
fuck
don't.
you do, twin?
Chat.
It's real drip. It's real drip.
It's a 3. He a 3?
I'm probably like a 2, maybe. Fuck it.
Chat, he a 2. He look like he don't wipe his ass after he shit. Damn.
Yo. Whoa. Whoa. What's up with niggas, bro?
Yeah, bro, shitty. He look musty. God.
Musty, bro.
Bro, dirty. Chat.
Yo, you're eating.
Shower every day,
right
nasty
now,
ass nigga. Oh my god.
They did not say
that. Oh, gee, like you eating dick right now. Oh.
Sign that twin. Y'all fuck with dreadheads though?
Yeah.
Hey, fuck they skip me for. Fuck
you. Who the fuck you take?
Bro.
Me?
Yo, y'all fuck, y'all fuck with dreadheads, bro?
Fuck?
Not you, bro. Hey, stop fucking cockblocking, bro. Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Bro,
Don't say shit when I'm talking, bro. Don't say shit when I'm talking, bro. Anyways, bro. Oh, he skipped. He skipped. Yo, y'all fuck with dreadheads?
Why you got that?
Hey. Huh?
Pull your hair back.
Like, it's my hair. Like, what do you...
Pull it back so we can see your face.
That is not... That's a wig.
That's not a wig, bro. Them bitches big as fuck. Bro, that's fucked up, chat. Big as hell?
Like, he not doing that. Girl,
damn.
He's weird.
Yo.
Hey, what's your gun sound like?
You fuck with dreadheads, though. Answer my question
ask
now.
the dude in the back. Ask the dude in the back what his gun sound like.
Should I answer y'all's now? Answer mine.
We'll say it. Okay, what?
Y'all fuck with dreadheads.
I got a boyfriend, so not now.
What about your homegirl?
I think.
You fuck with dreadheads?
Yeah.
You fuck with my dreads?
Maybe.
What about them? You fuck with his dreads? Show him, gang.
Yeah.
Okay. And my man said he trying to fuck. Don't got a boyfriend looking like that.
He's 13.
Why did y'all say that, bro?
You're the evil Mr. Beast? What's going on?
Mr. Beast, man.
I've seen Jimmy 1 or 2 times in my day, and
Yeah, bro.
you are not Jimmy Beast. You are fucking the guy that made the Cozy brand.
Oh my god.
Yo, what up, Quan?
Okay. Good on the y'all. You playing the game?
Yeah.
What you be playing?
GTA, Call of Duty, 2K.
Okay.
Bro,
You fuck with the Dreadheads community or what?
that's a fucking TEMU. TEMU.
What the hell is that?
That shit fake.
Nah, that shit not fake. This shit real.
Take it off.
My headset?
Yes.
Alright, but I'm not gonna be able to hear you after that. I'm gonna just take it off for a little, show you a 360. Alright.
Okay.
See? She sucks at every game. Yo.
That shit fake.
What you look like? Let me see your face.
Wait, what he say?
She said
Are you?
her ass gets carried every match. Damn. That shit's crazy. Show your face. 2 minutes? Okay. Yo.
Yo.
You fuck with Dreadheads?
Yeah.
You rate me 1 through 10. 1 through 10.
I give that like a 9.
Oh, okay. Wait, how old is you?
17.
Yes, you see that nigga?
You can't see through your hair.
Bro, I can. Put up any number on God, I'm getting it. 1.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
This bitch and I'm smelling like G. You serious, you know what I mean? Is it serious? I have an G. I finesse him in the middle of E. Shawty geeky, she really a geek. And she pushing period P. But my P got a really good meaning. He didn't like it, put him in a deep end. I didn't wanna, I really didn't mean it. I'ma keep walking, she say, hey, big head.
Hold on. Wait.
Hey, big head. You in the middle of 7, baby. I can see that. If it go, baby, I can be that.
Alright, tap it out.
I can do that.
Hey, what the fuck is